January 2008. The start of Enposs was very big difference from any others. We only consider for our customer and environment first from the beginning. Our goal is to protect the natural environment while using the ever-increasing energy consumption and the resulting side effects of glacier extinction, polluted air, and polluted water, and to gradually restore the environment that is destroyed by increasing technology and other energy consumption. So, you can see what kind of energy a company's value is creating. The force uses tourmaline, which comes from nature as major parts, which means friendly with green and nature. In order to accelerate to generate surplus free electron, tourmaline is mixed with several elements like magnesium and so on. So call EMF 7, here the electrical losses, impedance, harmonic distortion, heat, vibration will be improved by surplus free electron from EMF 7. Furthermore, there are several strength points at force. Easy to install, excellent energy save effect, extend the lifespan of machinery, excellent economic effect, high reliability, high safety. Now, let's see how it works through following example. In order to operate the 80 kilowatt load, we have to supply 100 kilowatts without force, but can be operated 90 kilowatts electricity power supply only to reduce electrical losses by force installation. In other words, if we install force at existing electrical circuit, we will see electricity power consumption has been reduced dramatically by reduce all unnecessary losses. Can be minimized the lost time of customer side during installation of force, because only connect the cable terminal of force to secondary of target circuit breaker on each phase. In other words, easy and short time to install force. Can be lower electricity bill and very good efficiency of process in your factory as a result of installation of force. We can realize the force that is very effective to save electricity energy all over the world by increasing agent of force step by step. We are focusing on the green energy which has evolved human and earth together by force of Enposs as fourth industrial age. Because it was starting point of development of force. Enposs always thinks about human to live comfortable and very clean environment of earth.